Place a 3/16 inch bead of the magic adhesive on the foundation wall. Press the top edge of the activation strip into the magic adhesive. Allow 30 minutes to an hour to dry, 12 to 24 hours to cure. Once cured, peel off the release paper to reveal the attachment area. Attach any style vapor barrier to the wall attachment tape.
Introducing the Your Crawlspace Cleaner, an EPA-designated safer choice product that quickly removes organic growth stains from wood surfaces. No scrub, no rinse, no bleach.
The YCS cleaner saves us time. It's a safer product for the homeowners, for the environment. People almost don't believe the before and after pictures.
You're going to get quick results. You're going to see the cleaner start working immediately. It's designed for use by any crawl space, remediation, restoration, or cleaning professional. For a product that's both safe and effective, try the YCS Safer Choice Cleaner today.
Place a 3/16 inch bead of the magic adhesive on the foundation wall. Grab the wall curtain, unroll and loosely press the activation strip into the bead of adhesive to make the seal. Dispense the entire roll on the wall.
Thanks for watching this video. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to apply the YCS Magic Adhesive, YCS Wall Attachment Tape, and wall liners without damaging the foundation or pier. Let's get started. First, use the YCS Magic Adhesive to apply a 3/16 to 1/4 inch bead of adhesive to the wall or pier. The line of adhesive will complete the airtight seal and mark the top of your system. Next, you apply the top of the wall attachment tape to the magic adhesive. Firmly press the top edge of the activation strip smoothly into the bead of YCS Magic Adhesive on the wall or pier. The paper or release side should be facing out. The soft fibrous side should be facing the wall. At this point, you've created an airtight connection between the adhesive and the wall attachment tape. Let this set for a minimum of 30 minutes to 1 hour before removing the paper siding. Because this is a moisture cure adhesive, drying time will depend on the moisture level in the crawl space. Do not remove the wall attachment tape from the magic adhesive. Doing so will open the airtight barrier and you will have to reapply magic adhesive to this area. Lastly, peel off the release paper to expose the liner attachment area. Once released, you will notice this section is yellowish in color. Match the top edge of your wall liner to the top edge of the wall attachment tape. As you affix the wall liner to the tape, run your hand over the width of the wall attachment tape to ensure a secure seal. Be careful not to touch this section with gloves. It is very sticky.